Hey guys, allow me to bless your day with my unique work. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how I achieve this beautiful unit using a 5x5 closure and 16 inches bundles. If you are new, welcome to our family. We hope you can be a part of our community by smashing that subscribe button. We would love to see you stick around. And by whatever means you came across this video, I'm hoping you find it helpful. But make sure you watch it to the end. Let's get into it. So I decided to use two bundles with this 5x5 closure because one, these bundles are really full, guys, and the frontal, and the closure I'm using is 5x5, and I was also using a small cap, so I didn't want to use too much bundles or too much hair and just have that little cap looking too bulky, or have it looking just off. I wanted it to have a natural look. All right, so I'm about to walk you through how I mark out the cap before I get started, because this steps is very important. You want to know where you're sewing. When you put that cap in the hair on the machine, you want to know exactly what you're sewing on. So I use that sharpening marker and mark out where I'm gonna be sewing, and sew exactly on those marks. So this is just me showing you guys how beautiful the hair is. This 5x5 closure is from our shop, by the way. The hair, everything is from our shop. So as I said, if you are new, well, check us out at Kelce's Unique Hair. Shop bundles, shop closure, shop frontal, shop wigs, whatever you like. Customized wigs, already made wigs, we got you. So knowing that, I forgot, right? This closure is a 5x5, and then the cap I was using is 4x4. So at a point, I almost like, I have to order the 5x5 to make this. And then on second thought, I'm like, no, I'm just going to fit it, to the cap and then cut it. And for some reason, I realized this cap was even made in a way where you can actually cut off, the 4x4 part of it out, and you will still have a perfect place to sew if you're using a bigger, lace. So perfect cap from Amazon. I'm gonna recommend it. So I usually just cut off the lace of the cap and put my closure on the cap and put it under the machine. But this time around, because of whatever I was going through with this whole step, I decided to pre-sew the closure on the cap, which make the work easy to pre-sew it. Don't sew it tight, just little bit, just to hold it on there to where you're gonna be sewing, and then put it on the machine and sew it. And then after that, hold the thread off it. That's easy. I found an easy way to do my job. Well, I learned this trick from my boss. Thumbs up, Miss Quay. Yeah, I decided to try that though, and it worked for me and at this end. So yeah, time goes by, I'm still gonna figure out what way I really want to do it. But yeah, I'm still gonna sew it on the machine and pull out that thread that's not gonna be in there, so it's gonna still look clean, professional, nice as usual. All right, so I'm done sewing on the closure, and as you can see, that baby is good, beautiful. And now I just use my pin to just pull all that thread that I sew on there, just to hold the stocking on. Took it off and cut off the excess lace that was there, and that baby was good, easy, perfect. That had me happy, y'all. I was happy. Okay, so usually I double with 2 bundles. Okay, if it's whatever, if I'm using 3, but at this point I was using 1. I'm gonna double weft 1 bundle, and then did I double the other one? I'm not sure really. I think I double almost all of it, but I left a little bit out for the closing. Yeah. It's time to sew on my bundles. I'm done sewing them together, and I'm about to attach it to the cap now. So what I do, I start from the end of the cap in the back, and I'm about to sew on exactly where I mark out on that line. You want to sew right on the line, okay? So if you don't know how to use a sewing machine at all, guys, well, I got a little bit of video on it, so you can check that out, and you can check out my other videos. Maybe you might find something helpful. But just in case you have a question, or you want to, you need me to, make you a special video, or something you have concern about when it comes to making wigs, you want to learn, like, just reach out. Let me know what you really want to know about, and I will be happy to help you. Okay. So this is a unit I was just constructing to sell. It really was not for somebody at that moment. So I just like, okay, I'm gonna put in a pin, just in case the person like it, because if they don't like it, you can just cut that off. So why not put it in, and then if the person said they don't want it, you take it off. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So wig is done, and that body width is beautiful. But guess what? I'm about to bleach the knots and then wash it. All of that gonna come out, but whatever. We make wigs, so we customize curves. We make it. So I'm gonna make my own freaking curves on that unit. So you see how beautiful it is, like professional, it clean, like, oh my God, look at her, look at the closure, look at the sewing. And don't worry about the white in it, because it's just the mark out, that's what it is. And I was wondering why, it fade away gradually, but like I don't needed it though. I needed like out of there. When I wash it, it should be able to come out, but gradually it just fade away, so that's not a problem. But your work still look clean, nice and neat. So I decided to show you guys the inside before bringing it to bleach it. So yeah, I'm about to bleach the nuts because this is a customized unit. I just wanted whoever gonna purchase it to be ready to go. When you get it, put it on and go. I'm a spoil you. If you don't know how to work a wig, reach out to me. I can have that wig ready to wear for you, like fitting your head, everything. All right, just tell me your head size, medium, small, or large. Doesn't matter, I got you. So I'm about to go into doing some plucking. That is one of the most beautiful part of it. You want to plug that edges, like, ooh, it just bring it up, it just make it pop. That's what I'm doing. Okay, and then we're gonna dry her and we're gonna curl her, and that curl, you just gotta love it, because poop, that's mama hands. Give me your love phone. Give me your love phone. On s'est BMF. So guys, just to be clear, the only reason that curls actually came out of it because I brushed it while blow drying it. If you bleach your nuts and wash your hair and just let it air dry without using the hot iron on it or the flying the blow dryer, man. Okay, without using the blow dryer on it, it's gonna air dry and your curls gonna be right back. Okay, so I really didn't care about it because I wanted, to get the job done and especially curl it the way I wanted it to be curled. So I didn't care. But don't be like me. You don't have to be like me though. You're unique as you are. So yeah, so I'm done curling and I'm setting the edges and yeah. Ooh, it's so beautiful. So let's see where we're gonna make our pot in the middle. Yes, I just want a middle pot for her. That's all. I'm the boss. I run this thing, so whatever look I give her, she have to take it. After all, she didn't pay me for that work. Yes, well, I hope you guys having fun. I hope you're loving it. I hope you're learning something. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to share it. Tag your wig buddy. I appreciate if you guys just leave me a comment. Like, let me know if you appreciate the video because I just want to do better, make good videos, share my work with you. That's what it is, But if you need a unit like this, check me out at Kelce's Unique Hair on Google. Just reach out. Send me a message. Whatever works for you. Call my number. Message me. WhatsApp. I got you. Oh yes, look at that. So I'm about to take out the pin. Yeah. See how she falls. So that's a one curl, and that's one of my curves. I love it. I just love the way it just popped that beautiful curves. So what I did, guys, after I did the first curl out, I took it off out because I took it out of the house, and then I came back and then somebody bought it. Somebody purchased it the same day. So when I do a wig and sample it and somebody order it, I like to redo the curve so that most often they can comb it out themselves or just have it looking new, neat and nice for them. I ain't gonna say wig that's gonna look like somebody wore it or something. So I went in and then I washed off the old curl and recurled it. So on the right side, that's what you see. And then after I did that, I'm like, okay, let me give her what she saw and what she liked and what she wanted. So I went back and curled it the right way, and this is it. All right, this is it. I love this video. This curl on the left was the second time when I curled it. Second or third time when I curled it. So this just came out like the best. It came out to be the best of all. All right. So put in the work. Like the more you do it, the better you get at it. So I don't mind, and I love it. Remember, hit that thumbs up. Show me that you appreciate it. Like it, save it, share it. Most of all, subscribe. Alright, y'all? Thanks for watching.
If it's loving that you want, you should make me your boy. Say, if you wanna breathe, baby, come and share my heart. Don't ask me why, baby, I give you my all. And I don't want no tripping, I just want you to be my love, yeah. Oh, now, like a this, and like a that. Baby girl, you to blow my. Like a this, and like a that. I'ma love you till there ain't enough time. Like a this, like a that. Baby girl, you to blow my mind up. Like a this, and like a that. I'ma love you till there ain't enough time. Baby, give me love, I know go walk away. Baby, give me love, oh, let me feel okay. Baby, give me love, oh, I know go walk away. Baby, give me love, oh, let me feel okay. Girl, you I want marry you. Girl, you I want